Hello folks, and welcome back to a Tiny Games Lab video. I'm gonna show you what I've been doing in the last couple months, apart from taking care of my 8-month-old daughter. So I've been messing up with PICO8, which is this fantasy console. It's a console that never existed, but it could have existed. So it's made up of this cartridge, which are games. And within this console, you can code, you can create music, sound, sprites, and maps. I'm going to show you really quickly how it looks like. So this is PICO8 interface. And I'm going to press ESC. And you have the code editor. And you can see here on the bottom, which is my token count. This is one of the limitations. I'm limited to this amount of tokens, which are basically functions, variables, and all that. I have also a character count and a compressed size count of the cart in itself. I have a sprite editor, which is 8x8 sprites are used in the game. Okay, I can make 8x8 sprites, and also I have a sprite sheet, which is 128 by 128 pixels in size, and I'm also limited to this 16 colors right here. So this is also a different limitation. I have my map, where I can put stuff on the map. From my sprite sheet, of course, I have sound and music editors, also very limited. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I've been doing with this. So this is the game that I've been working with. It's loading up. It's just like loading up a cartridge. So this is called Tennis8, a name I just gave it. And this is the entry screen. So one funny thing about this entry screen is made out of a sprite sheet, of course, but only the ball which is bouncing around is only one sprite, and I'm using easing effects to compress it in size, squeeze it, stretch it, and make it bounce like this. Okay, I plan to have both modes, arcade mode and multiplayer. Only have arcade mode right now, and I'm going to show you how we play it. So basically, this has a mechanics close to what is Timber Tennis and Mario Kart games. So it reminds Timber Tennis in the fact that you have fixed positions to move around, and the ball randomly chooses where it's going to move when you hit it. And it reminds Mario Kart or any Mario game, you can get power-ups and you can use it against your enemy. So for example, this is a curveball power-up. The enemy just used a slow time power up. Now just use like a fastball power up, and this way you have to beat your enemy. So I'm going to use a fastball, and let's see. There you go. It has a scoring system just like tennis, and I'm just doing some stuff now, like implementing some text, some commands to show you when you score, when you lose, when you win, and all that. Okay, so this is an early alpha. I'm showing you this is running on HTML5, also runs on PICO8 or external executables, and I plan on probably having it working on mobiles and all that in the future. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you like this, please leave a comment below, give a like to this video. If you want to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, and if you want to watch and be notified from new videos, please click on that bell button. Okay, thank you, and I hope to see you next.